విద్యా రంగంలోనే అగ్రగామిగా నిలిచిన విద్యా సంస్థ మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్స్. ఫోన్ 227115 మరియు 277022.
Hello and welcome to class 10 mathematics. Now our video class number 10. Previously I have done root 2 is rational number, root 3 and root 5 like that. Now we come to the exercise. Exercise 1.4. Some questions they are given to prove that the following are irrational numbers. So here see one question is there, 6 plus root 2. 6 plus root 2. Here one more question is also there, root 3 plus root 5. You observe here 6 plus root 2 and root 3 plus root 5. The first question and second question, what is the difference? In first question, only one numerical having the inside of the root. But in the second question, the both are having the inside of the root. So whenever the question paper you have to see, first of all you have to observe, the both integers are having inside of the root, or only one numerical having inside of the root. Now I do this question, 6 plus root 2. Then after I will do root 3 plus root 5. Okay? Now come to the question, 6 plus root 2. First, same like that. Previous what you have done, let us suppose, or let us assume 6 plus root 2 is rational number. You have to suppose rational number. Whenever you have to suppose rational number, you know very well the rational number is the form of a by b. That means you have to write 6 plus root 2 is equal form of a by b. Yes, a and b are both are called co-primes. The co-primes means the HCF is always 1. Now, the 6 you have to transpose to left side to right side. Then root 2 is equal a by b minus 6 by 1. The 6 you have to transport from left to right. Then after you have to take the LCM. 1 and b. The LCM have to consider as a b. Now we can do the cross multiplication. A minus 6b is equal to root 2. Now come to the point. Root 2 is equal to a minus 6b by 6b. A minus 6b by b. We know a is integer, 6 is integer, b is integer. So we do the integer simplification. For example, 2 into 3 by 7. After simplification you will get rational number or irrational number. You will get, like in example, its answer is 1 by 7. Whenever we do the simplification of integers is always either integer but not irrational number. But what we are getting answer here, root 2 is which number? You know very well. We have done the previous class. Root 2 is irrational number. But what we are getting here answer, irrational. Why we are getting irrational? What you have suppose 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. This is the false. This is the false. This is the wrong. So confirm 6 plus root 2 is the irrational number. So how to write? You have to write clarity here. How to write design? A, B, 6, 3 are integers. After simplify, the answer should be either integer or fraction. Fraction means like 3 by 7, 6 by 7 like that. Fraction means rational number. But what we are getting here answer is rational number. But we are getting root 2 is, you are getting root 2. Root 2 is which type of the number? Irrational number. But what your answer is required? Fraction or integer. Why you are getting irrational? What you are supposed, the suppose you have done is the false. That is the wrong. What you are supposed, 6 plus root 3 is a rational number. That is the false. So 6 plus root 3 is now which number? That is a irrational number. So we can do like if of any question. I will give 1 or 2 questions homework also. If whatever question they will give, first of all you have to observe the both are having inside of the root or single having inside of the root. Yes, the single having inside of the root. Which is not having the root, that is considered to the left to right. Then after you have take the LCM. Then after you will get the some answer. You should be observed. A is integer, B is integer, 6 is integer. After simplification of the integer, the answer should be integer or fraction. But what you are getting here is rational number. Why you are getting irrational number? What you are supposed 6 plus root is a rational number. This is the wrong. This is the false. You have assumed. So what you will give the answer? 6 plus root 2 is a irrational number. Confirm. Are you understand? Now write one more question. Next question here is given. One more question. Second question. Root 3 plus root 5. Here observe. Here what happened? The both are inside of the root. Previous 3 plus root 5. No, both are inside of the root. So first let us assume. Let us assume. Assume means you thought. Otherwise you think. Let us assume. Root 3 plus root 5 is rational number. Now to consider as a assume means consider. Assume means consider. What you have considered? Rational number. Whenever rational number means it is the form of a by b. So root 3 plus root 5 is equal a by b. Here there is no chance you have to transport to the one term left to right because the both are having inside of the root. Both are having inside of the root. What you can do first here? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides means root 3 plus root 5 whole square is equal a square by b square. Now apply the formula. If it is between plus means you have to apply the formula a plus b whole square. Between here negative, that means you have to apply the formula for a minus b whole square. I know we know very well. A plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2a. Now we have to write root 3 whole square plus root 5 whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 5 is equal a square by b square. Now the square and root cancel. Here also square and root cancel. Now 3 plus 5 how much? 8. 8 plus 2 into root 3 into root 5 root 15 is equal a square by b square. Now you see here what happened previous here? Both are having inside of the root. But after calculation, one term is left without root. So why you have done this process? See here once. Here both are having inside of the root. After simplification, one term is removed from the root. Which term is removed from the root? 8. Now the 8 you have to transfer from left to right. 2 root 5 is equal a square by b square minus without root which term is there? 8. Now 8 we have to send there. 8 by 1. Now we have to take the LCM. B square. A square minus 8b square. Now here which term is there? 2 root 5. I need only root term here. So the 2 also we have to bring to the down. That means here we have to write root 5 is equal a square minus 8b square by 2b square. Now again same logic. What we have done previous question. A is integer, B is integer, 2 is integer and 8 is also integer. A, B, 2, 8. Integer means either positive or negative. Either positive or negative. Positive numbers and negative numbers and 0 is called a integers. You have to write here A, B, 2, 8 are integers. Whenever you done the simplification of the integers, the answer should be integer or fraction, but not irrational number. But not irrational number. But what you are getting answer here? Again irrational number. Why you are getting irrational number? You have to assume. What you have to assume or what you are to consider? Root 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. You have to consider as a rational. That is a false. So what we can give the conclusion? So root 3 plus root 5 is a rational or irrational? Yes. Root 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. Again once result. First of all, you visit. Two types of the questions are there. One question is without root and another question is both are inside of the root. First you give the clarity. Both are having the root. First you do the squaring on both sides. A plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2a. Now 3 plus 5, 8. Here you got one more term, sequence here. 8 without root. That means without root which term is, which value is there? The value should be signed to the left to right. Now we are getting 8. Now you do the simplification. Now we are getting here a, b, 2, 8. The 4 should be integers. The integers after calculation or after simplification, the answer should be either integer or fraction. Fraction means like 4 by 7, 3 by 2, minus 5 by 7. Integers means minus 3, minus 2. But I am not getting that type of answer. But I am getting here root 5. You know very well, root 5 is irrational number. Why you are getting the answer irrational number? Because you consider root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. That is the false. So what the true? True is the root 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. Okay? Now you write the homework questions. Now we do homework questions. Question number 1. To prove that two minus root 5 is a irrational number. Is a irrational number. One more question. To prove that root p plus root q is an irrational number. Is an irrational number. Once you observe, I given two type of questions. I explain also two type of the question. What the first question I explained? There are two terms are there. One term is without root, one another term is inside of the root. This is the first question, like example also this is. But we have given here P and Q. P and Q are also some numericals. Like 3 and 5, 2 and 3, whatever they. This is considered to the second question example. This is considered as the first question example. You should observe once video classes how to learn. The pattern should be how to follow. You will get the answers for first question and second question. Okay, what is the first question? 2 minus root 5 is irrational number, and second question root p plus root q. Okay, here both are inside of the root. Here one is without root, and that is the inside of the root. Okay, you understand the video class properly way, and then after you can do the completely these two questions as a homework. Okay, thank you.